I truly believe that everyone has a talent, but you may not find your talent in the first 10 years of your career. For me, it was like that. I was trained as a graphic designer, and I did that for the first 13 years of my life. But it wasn't until 7 years later where I discovered that design was not my talent. My talent lied elsewhere, and that was around relationships, talking to people, and actually just general customer relations. And so I made a very strategic decision 7 years into my career to transfer into account management, but still remain in the design industry. And it was that time where I started to understand, I wouldn't say business, but people. For me, I'm not a great business person, right? But I think where my talent lies is I understand human nature, I understand people. So when I transitioned into the property industry and started being a property consultant, it was very easy for me to do because once you understand people, then you understand what makes them tick, you understand where their pain points are, and then you know how to have conversations with people to really understand their situations and then deliver solutions to them. And that's what business is all about. And that's what I've been doing this whole time in Investmentor, in the past 10 years, when I was a property consultant. It's all about understanding people, understanding what someone's pain point is, and then delivering a solution that solves that problem. And that's what I think business actually is at the end of the day. It's understanding solutions to real problems and then having a mechanism to deliver those solutions. And that's exactly what we do here. It's not rocket science, it's just plain and simple problem solving.